Good day everyone, welcome to spring, and we have lots of plants that's planted now in our tunnel, and you can see all the little white boards. It says all the names, and we still have lots of plants there that needs to go in, but we are using a method of planting them strategically at a certain time. As you can see here, for example, we have many different plants growing together. You have a strawberry, you have celery, and you have kale. You have lots of different plants growing.
And us, that plant is going to mix and cherry too.
Yeah, it's all gonna mix, Caesar.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you love seeing plants mixing. Where do they mix? Where do they mix?
Right, that's like that.
Yeah, they mix like that. And it's their roots that mix, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
My tastes and which are going to mix and cherry is rooted in one plant. Two plants are going to come one plant.
two plants are gonna become one plant and they're gonna support each other. Okay, now Caesar, let's show everyone how the crazy watering system works. Come stand here. All right, so we're gonna turn on the watering system.
Let me do it.
You're gonna do it, okay?
It might be a bit dangerous.
Now look at the crazy watering system. Once the pressure kicks in, they look like snakes, right?
We have sprinkler snakes.
Yeah. And the sprinklers start looking like snakes. All right, the water is coming out. The water is blowing out of the sprinklers. Look at them moving. Look at them moving. Let's see if we can get closer. Look at these sprinklers and how they're all moving. And they start shooting around. Look at that. They're moving like snakes. This is our crazy watering system. How much fun is it to water plants where it's crazy? It's almost like it's really raining.
Look, the leaves are like it.
Look at him. Caesar loves this and he loves running in it when he sees these snake sprinklers watering all the plants, shooting around. Look at that one. That's a crazy one over there. And that one is a crazy one.
They're all crazy.
Yeah, they're all crazy. And that is how we water our plants. Why not have fun while watering? Have something artistic, creative happening when you water.
My plant was first, Gideon.
Yeah.
My plant was first.
Alright.
Look there. That's like a... Where are these leaves for water? See?
Yeah.
Look there, a big drop under there.
A big drop.
On there.
And there goes our crazy watering system. And on that side we have Matt's planting potatoes. But he's also enjoying the crazy water system. Can't take your eyes off it. It's very fascinating to see and fun.
Do you notice?
Yeah.
I like her planting places where I like places. I like them planting.
Yeah. Alright, Caesar, let's turn it off. Because we already did the watering, we just wanted to show everyone. Now, go show everyone your plant. Your plant. But remember, we can't get your butt nakedness in here. So I'll just cover with my hand a little bit. Alright. Unfortunately.
These two plants are mixing.
Alright, let me come on your side.
See, those two plants are mixing.
And what is your plant?
Sweet potato.
A what?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato, right. And what's growing next to it? Celery, yes. And they are mixing in their roots, right? And how did you grow this potato? You started growing it in our room. In a box.
This one, I didn't like it that in our room. I liked it in this side.
Yeah, you liked it in this side. Alright, so that's Caesar's...
These two plants are going to mix in one.
That's Caesar's sweet potato that he raised since it was a little baby sweet potato.
And tell you again.
Yes, Caesar?
I tell you about the salad.
You tell us what?
This.
The celery.
This one's going to come my plant too. This one from is going to mix on my potato.
Yeah.
Of course, I like it.
Alright, Caesar, say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye bye.